Look at these two friends sharing their toys. Why is sharing important? Sharing is important because it helps us make friends and makes everyone happy. When we share, we show kindness. Have you ever shared your favorite toy with a friend? How did it make you feel? I have shared my favorite toy before, and it made me feel really good because my friend was happy too. Oh no! It looks like one friend has fallen down. But look, their friend is helping them up. What would you do if you saw a friend fall? If I saw a friend fall, I would go over and ask, "Are you okay?" I would help them stand up and make sure they feel better. How can we show kindness when someone is hurt or sad? We can show kindness by giving them a hug, saying kind words, or staying with them until they feel better. These friends are giving each other a big group hug. When do we give hugs? We give hugs when we feel happy, when we want to show love, or when someone needs comfort. How does a hug make you feel? A hug makes us feel warm, safe, and loved. It's a great way to show we care. Can you think of other ways to show love and kindness to your friends? Yes. We can say kind words, give a high five, help them when they need it, or simply smile at them. Everyone is waiting patiently to go down the slide. Why is it important to take turns? Taking turns is important because it makes sure everyone gets a chance and no one feels left out. It also keeps us safe. What happens if we all try to go at once? If we all go at once, we might bump into each other and get hurt. That's why we wait for our turn. Can you think of other places where we need to wait our turn? Yes. We wait our turn when we line up at school, when we play games, and even when we talk so we can listen to each other. Uh-oh, this friend looks sad. But look, their friends are sitting with them and helping them feel better. What can we say to a friend who is feeling sad? We can say, "It's okay, I'm here for you." Or, "Do you want to talk about it?" Kind words help our friends feel better. Have you ever cheered up a friend before? Yes. I once gave my friend a hug and told them a funny joke when they were sad, and it made them smile. Wow, these kids are picking up trash to keep their playground clean. Why is it important to take care of our playground? It's important because we all play here, and we want it to stay clean and safe. A clean playground makes everyone happy. How can we help take care of our school and home? We can help by throwing trash in the bin, cleaning up after ourselves, and reminding others to do the same.